We are back in our event for the Blockman. We've tested our game already, see that everything is moving, and now it's time to implement the animations. So this left and right has already been updated. Now I'm going to explain what all of this means. So the first step, you already have your set x speed to 0, and then it says if left is down, we're going to switch that to was released. We're going to move the block for setting our speed out of this if statement and just plug in a switch animation to idle left if left was released. Very important to make sure that your titles in here align with your titles over here. Okay, so you've got idle left for self, otherwise if right, you're going to switch again to was released. Pull the motion block out temporarily. You can just put it off to the side if you don't know where to put it, because I'll explain how to build this code in a moment. If right was released, switch animation to idle right. This is saying that if we release these buttons to just have us sitting idle. Now, another if statement, back to what you're familiar with. If right is down, set x speed to 20 for self, switch animation to move right. Otherwise, if left is down, set x speed to -20, switch animation to move left. So what we've done is we've taken this block, which previously was just left or right, and now we've given it move right and move left. So this should look familiar to you, and we've added on top of it a was released to each click and the idles. So you can pause this if you need more time to find these buttons, and when you do get around to testing your game, your character should animate left and right. Now you'll notice that my character, there he goes, so his thrusters are working. Now when he jumps, if I hold right or left, the thrusters continue in the air. Now I know we did a separate jump animation, but this looks good enough that we might not even need to add the bottom thrusters. So you want to see if you can get your game graphically animating in this left and right, which really adds a lot graphically to the it takes a simple game and makes it a little bit visually pleasing.